Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how to enable Do Not Disturb on individual contacts on iPhone. So to get started, go ahead and tap on your settings. Now you will be appear with your mobile phone settings. Now go ahead and tap on the option called Focus. So once you tap on it, you can see several options. Now go ahead and tap on Do Not Disturb. Now once you tap on it, you can see the option called People, Apps and Options. Now tap on the People option. Now here on the top of the screen, you can see the two options, silence notification from or low notifications from. So for instance, we want to silence notification from, so what you have to do is simply tap on it. Now here is the option to add people, so tap on the add people. So here you can see all the contacts from your mobile phone. You can add any contact of your choice. So once you have added that people, so from now, whenever you turn on Do Not Disturb mode on your mobile phone, you won't be able to see the notifications from that particular person. So I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.